Hello, my friends. Welcome to Just Say English, the place where your spoken English becomes real-world English. I'm Ramo, and this is day 1 of our 30-day shadowing challenge, one topic every day to train your brain, your mouth, and your confidence. Let me start with a question. What if one day you wake up in a new country and you're very sick, but can't explain what's wrong in English? You go to the pharmacy. You feel awful. The person at the counter asks, "What seems to be the problem?" Your heart races. Your mind goes blank. All you can say is, "Head, pain, medicine, please." That kind of moment, it's not just frustrating, it's dangerous. Because in times of sickness, words save time and sometimes lives. But today, we fix this forever. What you'll learn today. In this complete and beginner-friendly lesson, you will learn 100 beyond powerful phrases for describing health issues. Practice authentic pharmacy and recovery conversations. Discover how to talk about symptoms clearly and calmly. Learn how to ask important questions about medicine. Master the language of self-care and work-sick calls. Improve pronunciation and natural rhythm using shadowing. Build real-world fluency in health emergencies and everyday care. This is not just vocabulary. This is confidence and control. Let's begin. Part 1. Describing how you feel. Symptoms. When someone asks, "What's wrong?" you need to explain your symptoms clearly. Let's start with the basics and move to more specific details. Basic health sentences. 1. I have a terrible headache. 2. My throat is very sore. 3. I think I have a fever. 4. I feel dizzy and lightheaded. 5. I can't stop coughing. 6. My nose is completely blocked. 7. I feel very weak and tired. 8. My body aches all over. 9. I keep sneezing. 10. My eyes are red and itchy. 11. My throat feels like it's burning. 12. I have chills, even though the room is warm. 13. I'm sweating and freezing at the same time. 14. My head feels like it's pounding. 15. I feel nauseous and can't eat. 16. My ears feel blocked and I can't hear well. 17. I have no energy at all. 18. My skin feels sensitive to the touch. 19. My back and legs hurt when I move. 20. I feel out of breath even when I'm resting. Tip: don't just say, "I'm sick." Be specific. That helps doctors or pharmacists give you the right treatment. Shadow with me now. Repeat each sentence. Match my speed, my emotion, my tone. Part 2. At the pharmacy. Asking for the right medicine. Now let's imagine you're at the pharmacy. You walk in, and the pharmacist says, "How can I help you today?" Here's how you can respond. Asking for help. 1. I think I have the flu. What medicine do you recommend? 2. I need something for a really sore throat. 3. My head hurts badly. Do you have painkillers? 4. I have a fever. What can bring it down? 5. I'm looking for strong cough medicine. 6. I'm congested. I can't breathe through my nose. 7. Do you have anything for an upset stomach? 8. I'm allergic to pollen. Do you have antihistamines? 9. I want something natural, like herbal tea or throat spray. 10. What helps best with muscle aches and fatigue? It's describing your condition more clearly. 11. It started 2 days ago, and it's getting worse. 12. I'm not taking any other medicine right now. 13. I need something that works fast. I have to work tomorrow. 14. I prefer tablets instead of liquid. 15. I don't want anything that makes me sleepy. Remember, the more clearly you describe your problem, the better help you'll receive. Practice with me. Say each line twice. Train your brain to speak confidently. Part 3. Asking smart questions about medicine. Before taking any medicine, even over the counter, ask these questions to be safe and informed. Common questions. 1. What's in this medicine? 2. Is it safe to take with my other medicine? 3. Do I need a doctor's prescription for this? 4. Can I take it on an empty stomach? 5. Are there any side effects I should know about? 6. Will this make me drowsy? 7. How many times should I take it per day? 8. What should I avoid while taking this? 9. Can I drink coffee or alcohol with this? 10. How long does it take to feel better? These are real questions real people ask. So learn them by heart and say them with confidence. Part 4. Taking medicine safely, understanding instructions. You might hear the pharmacist say things like, 2 medication instructions. 1. Take 2 pills every 6 hours. 2. Don't take more than 8 pills in 24 hours. 3. Always take this with food. 4. Drink lots of water after taking it. 5. Store it in a cool, dry place. 6. Do not mix with alcohol or caffeine. 7. If you feel itchy or develop a rash, stop immediately. 8. This may cause drowsiness. Don't drive. 9. Take the full course, even if you feel better early. 10. If symptoms don't improve in 3 days, see a doctor. Tip: these phrases are often found on labels, so understanding them is essential. Part 5. Taking care of yourself at home. When you're sick, language helps you take control of your recovery. Let's learn what to say during self-care. Self-care phrases. 1. I've been drinking warm tea with honey and lemon. 2. I check my temperature every few hours. 3. I've been getting plenty of sleep. 4. I'm eating light meals like rice, soup, and toast. 5. I'm avoiding cold drinks and junk food. 6. I use a humidifier in my room. 7. I gargle with salt water for my throat. 8. I take my medicine exactly as directed. 9. I'm staying indoors until I feel better. 10. I'm resting and letting my body recover. Say these aloud like you're journaling in English. This helps make the language part of your healing process. Scenario 1. At the pharmacy, full conversation. Now let's do a complete conversation. I'll play both roles. Listen, then repeat. You. Hi, I'm feeling really sick and I don't know what to take. Pharmacist. I'm sorry to hear that. What are your symptoms? You. I've had a fever and body aches for 2 days. My throat is sore and I'm coughing a lot. Pharmacist. Sounds like the flu. Are you taking anything else right now? You. No, nothing yet. Pharmacist. Okay. I recommend this cold and flu medicine. It has paracetamol for fever and pain, plus a decongestant. Is it safe? Any side effects? Pharmacist. It may make you sleepy. Avoid alcohol and don't drive while taking it. How do I take it? Pharmacist. 2 tablets every 6 hours. After meals. No more than 4 times a day. Got it. And if it doesn't help? Pharmacist. If you're not better in 3 days or your fever gets worse, please see a doctor. Shadow the entire conversation, line by line. It's real, useful, and natural. Scenario 2. Talking to a caring friend. Friend. Hey, you okay now? You were sounding terrible yesterday. I'm much better now, thank you. The medicine really helped. Friend. That's good. What are you doing to get better? I've been drinking hot water, eating soup, and staying in bed. No cold drinks or junk food. Friend. Great. Did you call your boss and take a day off? Yes. I told them I have flu symptoms and I'll return once I feel normal again. Friend. That's smart. No point in rushing back too early. Yeah, I still have a little cough, but I'm definitely improving. Friend. Take care of yourself. Call me if you need anything. Thanks. I really appreciate you checking in. This kind of talk builds real relationships. Practice it out loud. Pronunciation practice. Say these words clearly. Say these words with me. First, slowly, then at natural speed. Paracetamol. Paracetamol. Ibuprofen. Ibuprofen. Antihistamine. Antihistamine. Decongestant. Decongestant. Nauseous. Nauseous. Prescription. Prescription. Symptoms. Symptoms. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. Mastering these words makes you sound prepared and fluent. Congratulations! You've just finished day 1 of our 30-day shadowing challenge. Today, you learned 108 useful sentences for health problems. 2 life dialogues. Farmacji jeden. Friend. How to describe symptoms naturally. What to ask about medicine. How to speak clearly and confidently. This is not just about English. It's about feeling safe, strong, and in control even when you're sick. So the next time you feel unwell, you'll know exactly what to say. This is Ramo from Just Say English. See you tomorrow for day 2 of the Shadowing Challenge. Until then, take care, stay healthy, and keep speaking English.